Okay guys, today we're going to be taking our notes over the distributive property. Okay, so in math, distribute means to give out. So we're going to take one number and distribute it to the rest. You should distribute whenever you see parentheses that have a number written outside of them. When you distribute, you will multiply, so always multiply for distributing, by the number outside of the parentheses. When you are done distributing, the parentheses will go away. So when you distribute, your goal is to get rid of the parentheses. So I'm going to work some of these examples for you, and some you're going to complete on your own. The first example I'm going to work is over here. So the number outside of my parentheses is a 6. So I'm going to take the 6 and multiply it by each of the terms in the parentheses. So 6 times negative 5n would be negative 30n, and 6 times 7 would be 42, so plus 42. Notice my parentheses are gone, and I am done distributing. My second example is in the top right. Here, you don't see a number written outside of the parentheses. What you do see is this negative sign. If you see just a negative, that's the same as a -1. So we're going to distribute that to our parentheses. So -1 times 6x would be negative 6x, and -1 times -12, so this whole term is plus 12. And then the last example I'm going to do is the fraction. So outside of the parentheses, we have 1/2. So we're going to take 1/2 and multiply it by everything inside the parentheses. Now remember, multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2. So 1/2 times 8 would be 4, and then b. And 1/2 times -4 would be -2. Okay. So I worked 3 of your examples. You need to finish up the last 3, and then we will check those tomorrow in class.